Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today we are yet again back in our lovely place known as Beacon Fell. Now of course today is something a little unique which you can see right in front of the camera. This is the INEOS Grenadier. Now of course it is a 3 litre straight 6 engine, and of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You'll probably notice the little beacon just running across at the top. The entire roof rack comes with this car. You then also get these outer diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are an 18-inch. You then have the bigger off-roader tyres as well. You get the lovely side steps. This is in homage from Sir Jim Ratcliffe to the Land Rover Defender. I will go into each and every wheel just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern. And again, round to the rear, you'll notice again just at the top you do get the hazard beacon as well. So to get in the rear, simply grab the handle here, press the button in, and it will open part of the rear. There's a little handle just to the back which you can then use to pull open, and you'll see that you do have a ton of room inside. Now of course the control for these beacons, they are just in the back corner here, so you can see, tap that switch off and they will be deactivated like so. Closing the back up again, coming around. Now of course on the top you do get 2 storage containers, 2 jerry cans, then you also get mud guards and a spade. That is just to help if you do take this car off-roading, it will enable you to get unstuck should you do so. Inside you get full black leather Recaro seats with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all around. Into the front, as you can see, you've got your media controls just in the middle. Now to some people this may look familiar. Of course INEOS partnered with BMW themselves, so it does have BMW's 3 litre turbo engine. You've got your diff lock here, so you can go high and low and lock it into place. Now of course this does look a little confusing, however it is nice and simple. You've got your stop start off just there. Audio volume, park assist, so you can turn your parking sensors off. Air conditioning control, front and rear windscreen, so obviously the rear is heated, has heating elements in, that'll just increase the blow for the front. You've got your heated seats on the outside, and then all your climate settings are right here in the middle. Up to the main display in the middle. Now of course you've got your rev counter, speedo, gear, mileage, so you can see it's on 17,822 miles. You come into here, this is purely designed for off-roading, so you can see you get your altitude. You come back out, you can go through all the different tyre pressures, tyre temperatures, all in there as well. You can record a path if you choose to come back to it in the future. You get your altitude, and then of course you've also got your 12 volt battery temp and everything in there, or your electrical, sorry. You've got Bluetooth hands-free. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on top of the various audio sources here, so you get Bluetooth, USB, which is your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then you also get your various radio sources just there as well. Over to the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control to the left with your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Over on the right you have your audio settings. You also have this little button here which will alert cyclists, as you can hear there. You've got automatic headlights, and then of course your warning panel is just here. This is where your engine management light or tyre pressure light would come on. Hopping back outside, showing you the last remaining alloy. Now of course while we are here you can see just on there that it is powered by BMW, as they did again have a partnership. But coming back outside, if you do of course require any further information on this INEOS Grenadier, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.